Hi, I'm Bart from KOBA Vision and this is a quick tutorial how to set up a ZoomCam with an iPad. As of iPadOS 17, all ZoomCams are compatible with iPads that have a USB-C port. So let's start and see how to set up. First, we open the ZoomCam and we'll connect the USB-C cable. On the other hand, we plug it into the iPad. This is an iPad Pro 12.9 inch screen, so it's a large big screen, and we've installed a free application called CamX, so you can download for free from the App Store. So let's start the application. You will notice once we start the application, the ZoomCam will start automatically as well. So let's put a text under the ZoomCam, and you will notice that it's a high resolution, high speed image. That's because of the good USB 3 connection between the ZoomCam and the iPad. On the application itself, you can change the brightness and you also can change the volume. So that does mean if you have a ZoomCam Speech, also the speech is coming out of the iPad. So let's start the speech.
On the 13th of December, when new track brings Amsterdam an hour closer.
I'll stop the speech. So it's quite easy to set up. Thank you for watching. If you have questions, don't hesitate to contact us or have a look at our website.